Hello everyone, welcome back. This is Pascal or Mr. Distinctions. If you are new to the channel, kindly subscribe. Okay, so in today's video I'm sharing with you Biology Paper 2 2017, and this is question 5. This question was based on genetics. So as I said in the previous video, genetics is an important topic which you need to know and understand. If you check in most of the papers of biology, we find that question 5 is about genetics. So you need to understand this topic. For that reason, I urge you to keep on following me, to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you keep on following me, so that you understand this topic and how you can handle the questions which may be brought concerning this topic. Okay, so let's go to the question. Question 5. Mrs. Mumba delivered a baby girl in a certain hospital. Mrs. Mumba has blood group O. So Mrs. Mumba got blood group O, and the father to the girl has blood group AB. The father had blood group AB. Okay, Mrs. Mumba sues the hospital for giving her a wrong baby whose blood group was O. So according to the question, Mrs. Mumba was given a wrong baby who had blood group O. Remember, Mrs. Mumba had blood group A, Mr. Mumba had blood group AB. What is the question? Question A. Explain using a genetic diagram why Mrs. Mumba would win or lose the case. So we have been told to explain, but this explanation is not by writing, but by using what? A genetic diagram to show if Mrs. Mumba would win or lose what? This case. Okay, so the first thing you need to know whenever you have been given to write a genetic diagram is to know the procedure of writing any genetic diagram. So this is a procedure of writing any genetic diagram. So you have to begin with writing the parents, then parents phenotype, then parent genotype, gametes, random fertilization, F1, which is representing first fetal generation genotype, then F1, which is first fetal generation phenotype. So this is a procedure. You can just write it. You can write it on a certain paper, then you stick it so that you master this procedure. It's very important actually. So that's the first thing. So we have two parents. We have Mrs. Mumba, then Mr. Mumba. Then the phenotype of these parents, we have been told that Mrs. Mumba had blood group O, then Mr. Mumba had blood group AB. Okay, so what is the phenotype? What is the genotype for? What is the genotype for group O? So this is also an important point. You need to understand and know how to write the genotype of each blood group. So for example, for blood group O, this is the genotype. You have to write two I's, then you write the O's on top there, as you can see. Then this is the genotype for blood group AB. Just have to write two I's, then you write an A over here, then a B over there. Then on gametes, you have to split this genotype and this genotype. You have to split them. You have to split this genotype by writing each one in a circle, as you can see over here. Then you have to do the same also to these ones. Then afterwards, it is random fertilization. So what is happening here is fertilization. As you can see, the genotypes, the genes are mixing. So you have also to know and master how to write, how to mix these genotypes. So in the first place, what you have to write is a line which is coming from this first circle to the first circle of this side, as you can see. So we have this IO, which is over here, and this IA, which is over here. So we have got this genotype. What is the phenotype of this genotype? So if you just see IO, then you see IA, just know that this blood group is blood group what? A, because A is dominant over O, and for that reason, that is why I've said that this is blood group A. Also, if you see an A here and an A there, just know that this is blood group what? A. Okay, so that is the first thing you need to know. That is the first line you need to draw. Then the second line must also come from this same circle. The first circle, which is IO, and coming to the going to the second circle, which is this one. So we have got the same IO, which is over here. Then we have got the IB, which is over there. So also here we have to know that blood group O is recessive. So in the blood groups, blood group O is recessive to blood group B, to blood group A, and blood group B. So even this on this one, blood group B will be the phenotype since it is dominant over O. So that is that. Having done on this one, you have to go to the next one. So you have to do the same thing. Go there. So you have O, which is over here. Then you have A, which is over here, of which this is blood group A also, because if you look at this genotype, it's just the same as this one. Then last we have to go to the last one from here to there. So as you can see, we have I O, then I B, and this is just the same as this one. So as we can see, we do not have any child who has got blood group O. So Mrs. Mumba won the case because you have got only children who have got blood group A, B, A, B. So Mrs. Mumba won the case. Okay, so that was the answer for the first question. What is the second question? Question B. What could have been the correct genotype of the actual father? So the actual father could have blood group O, because if you cross blood group O with blood group O, it will give us the children who have blood group C and blood group O. So we have the children who have blood group O. So the father could have blood group O, A, or I mean I, A, I, O, I, O, I, B. So those were the answers. So the simplest one is this one. So if you cross this one with those for Mrs. Mumba, you can see that we can have a child who would have blood group O. So that were the answers for this question. All right, thank you very much for watching. Keep on following me. Don't forget to subscribe. Till the next video. Bye.